Man, I just can't believe how Rivian stock just dropped 12% when we just did a price prediction not long ago looking for the market to go up. Isn't that crazy? We've made a video right here on September the 12th, 2024. And I was like, look, these buyers are not relinquishing this buy zone right here, right? And I said, all right, cool. As long as that's the case, we need to suspect that the market is still bullish. Not long after I did a price prediction, look what happened. So I think we got the gist as to what the price action is trying to tell us. And I'm going to break it down to you right now. So welcome to the channel, everyone. This is HFN, also known as HueFin News. We do the price predictions here without the confusion. You guys can see we get some right, we get some wrong as well. What can you say? We are at the whims of the market, but we always can get back into position and capitalize on the next move. And I think we have a pretty big idea as to which direction this stock is going to go. So if you guys want to learn more, hit that like button. Should have also subscribe here for more of this great and wonderful content. You're not going to get this anywhere else. And I'm going to keep that a buck. All right, so let's do this. So yeah, this price prediction didn't go in our favor. You guys can see on the last trading day of last week, the 20th of September, the market in Rivian fell down at almost 11% on the close. Yes. So let's cut this price prediction out. It didn't work in our favor. And the next thing you guys can see that didn't work out was these buyers who were buying this stock ever since August the 5th. Because every time price in Rivian came to this buy zone, the market supported it. It didn't go no lower than that buy zone until Friday. So we got the idea. Hey, we know who's directing the price now. It's not the buyers, it's the sellers. So our idea from here on out until something changes is, hey, this market is going to continue to go down. What do you think? Because chart's not lying. It's not lying to us. It's telling us that this market is not bullish yet. So rather than us keeping in line with this trend line right here, we need to transpose it and move it to what's really going on. All right. This stock is downtrending. It's not uptrending, it's downtrending. So we could get rid of this buy zone. Why would we get rid of this buy zone? Because the buyers are not there. They tricked us. They was like, look, we're going to trick all of these people into thinking that we're going to support the price in Rivian right there around $13, and then we're just going to let the bottom drop. And that's exactly what happened. The bottom dropped. And it was on confirmation too. Right here on Friday, we got that massive indication of weakness, push to go down. The market closed at the very bottom of the bar, and then the volume came in too. Man. So the next idea would, we could potentially see Rivian fall back down to this next buy zone, $10.35 or so. Let's take a look at Rivian on the weekly chart then. Let's start out on the weekly, okay? Because again, the chart's not lying. This is weakness. Look at that weekly bar there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Look at that one. Even weaker. We made a fantastic run in the market in Rivian on these 2 weekly price bars, only to see it come all the way back down in the next 10 weeks. So in 4 weeks, the market in Rivian went from $10 all the way up there to $18. And then in 10 weeks, it literally took all of that back. Crazy. So now look at this on the 3. All right. What do you think? This is not a bullish stock. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care if Warren Buffett comes in and says that this stock is bullish, because the price chart is not showing that. And I believe what the price chart is showing rather than what one man thinks or what he says. He has to certify what he thinks if it's gelling with this price chart. If it's not gelling with this price chart, don't believe what people are saying. If it's not following what they're trying to say, like the stock is bullish, and then you come and look at the stock on the chart and it doesn't look bullish, you already know what that person is saying is not true. This is not a bullish stock right now. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Take a look at Rivian on the monthly chart. Take a look at Rivian on the 5. Okay. Here it is on the 4, 3, 2, and Friday. So we need to get in position. Okay. Now, the market in Rivian, I think, is going to try to find the buyers either around 11 to 10. That's why I'm thinking they're going to try to find that initial stage of support. But don't forget, these longer term time frames, this is how you need to feel for a long-term price action movement. Okay, we may even see the market in Rivian come all the way back down to 850, maybe even lower than that. I don't know. No one knows. So for us, we simply just get into position and anticipate where price is likely to go. And currently, given off the price information that we're seeing on this chart alone, we can now say that the sellers currently control price. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another sell zone too. Okay. So we're going to create a sell zone here. Let's go ahead and create a sell zone here first. And maybe we could do another one here. It just shows you who's controlling the price. When I zoom out, you guys can see how many sell zones we have versus buy zones. The more of either sell or buy zones you have, it tells you who's actually directing the price or coordinating the price action. Okay, so we have what? Look at all these sell zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sell zones against 2 buy zones. Again, charts don't lie. So we got those sell zones there now on the chart for Rivian. And let's bring this down to where the price last traded on Friday. And our first target, like I said, it's going to be around 11. That gives us around 6% profit there. Second target is going to be at this first buy zone, which is around 13.25 here. And that's why I'm just going to leave it for the time being. I want to see if we're going to get continued weakness at 11 or 10. Because if we do, then the only thing we need to come back and do on this video and just extend it down lower. Okay. So let me bring that back up to around 10. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Tell me where you at. What do you think? Rivian's going to continue to go down? Continue to go up? At what price do you think the buyers are going to show up? For me, I think it's going to be around 11, maybe 10, around that vicinity. And then the buyers may begin to buy more. If they don't, I already have my next target. It might even be right around here. Matter of fact, let me draw another buy zone. Okay, so we're going to make this a buy zone. That would be my next target right there. So yeah, keep it there. All right, so I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.